Hello and welcome to the first episode of our new YouTube video series called How to Work on a 3D Experience Platform as a Simulation Engineer. My name is Daniel Valicotti and today I will give you an idea what this YouTube series is about, show you the first concepts that you need to know about using the 3D Experience Platform as a simulation engineer, and give you an overall idea what to expect of the series in the future. So first of all, why did we create this series? Well, we want to inform everyone, our customers, you, how the 3D Experience platform can help you as a simulation engineer and what you need to know if you use the 3D Experience platform as your software tool of choice and the implication that come with the different concepts on the 3D Experience platform in comparison to your usual work using other software tools. We will show that by, first of all, showing a slide to motivate the idea that we want to talk about in each of the episodes. And then usually we go directly into the system and show you within the 3D experience how you can set up a model and so on and so forth. Now, today's topic is about the three main concepts using the 3D Experience platform. And these are generalized concepts, not necessarily only for the simulation engineer, but nevertheless, you as a user of the 3D Experience platform need to be aware of the concepts such that you can use them to their full potential. Now, the first concept that we want to talk about is the concept of single source of truth, which means within the 3D Experience platform, we have a database in the background. And on this database, we have a life cycle management for each of your data objects. And as a best practice, each object should, in the current version or in the current state, only be there once, such that everybody that needs to work with this object, and this object can be a data object for cut data or a simulation object, for example. So everyone that needs that object and works with that can make sure that he has the latest version of that object. The second principle is the unified product structure. Now, I already talked a lot about data objects. Within the 3D Experience platform, everything that you create and save on the database is a so-called data object. And all these objects, if they're somewhat connected to each other, for example, if you have a cut part and a cut assembly and a simulation that builds on top of that assembly, you can see the direct connections between these objects and have full traceability and visibility of how the products or the objects work together. Which brings me to the third point, that is connected engineering. The 3D Experience platform is a business and collaboration platform, which means you're working together as a team on your product, on your project, and you're not working in silos. That brings the advantage that you can exchange the data directly with your colleagues, but also that you can build up very efficient automated workflows using different tools. And this, of course, can speed up your product development and make sure to eliminate user-based errors, because automation, of course, if done correctly, helps you make sure that everything works as intended. Now, as I said, all of these three concepts will be discussed in more detail in the later episode. So this is it for now. Thank you, and I'm hoping to see you again in the next episodes.